Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. My name is Muhammad Farham Zamiba from International Institute of Islamic Thought and Civilization, ISTAD-IUM. With us also Sir Muhammad Umar Mansur from Management and Science University. And secondly, Professor Media Dr. Zaini Nasaha from University Kebangsaan Malaysia. Our research topic is committal orders for disobeying with maintenance order in the Selangor State Sharia Courts Literature Review. Committal order. A committal order is an order issued by the court against an offender deemed to have insulted the court or failed to comply with the court's directive. Secondly, among the provisions available to address maintenance issue is a committal order. Third, according to statistics released by the Malaysian Sharia Judiciary Department from 2013 to 2017, a total of around 13,000 maintenance cases were registered in Sharia court across Malaysia. Therefore, Selangor recorded the highest number of registrations with 3,409 cases. Therefore, the court may impose a penalty such as imprisonment on the offender. Court in Malaysia, for information, in the modern era, Malaysia has two court systems, namely the civil court and the Sharia court. For the Sharia courts, various provisions are found in the Islamic family law enactment of each state, aimed at restoring the right of those who have been wronged. So, this just is to study the legal provision related to committal order and its procedure of refusal of maintenance order, as well as the potential and challenges in enforcing the committal order due to refusal of maintenance order at the Sharia Court of Selangor. The methodology. This study employed a qualitative technique, primarily based on document analysis, and with an emphasis on legal, religious, and procedural material pertaining to committal order for non-compliance with maintenance order in the Selangor State Sharia Court. Therefore, we would like to share with you a result and discussion. Number one is differences in scholar view on the necessity of imprisonment in Islam and its relation to maslahat and mafsadah. There is disagreement among scholars, particularly between Hanbali scholars and others, regarding the permissibility of this punishment. Some are in favor, while others oppose it. As example, according to Al-Kasani, a husband can be imprisoned for neglecting the maintenance of his wife, and likewise, father can be imprisoned for neglecting the maintenance of his children. Second, uncertainty, the law and procedure of committal order. Each state in Malaysia has its own Islamic law. Despite effort towards standardization, even that each state has its own jurisdiction, differences still exist among them, including in law related to maintenance. Got enough kah? The law applied in Selangor according committal order in section 181, section 151 and section 229 of the Selangor Sharia Court, Civil Procedure Enactment 2003, Enactment Tata Cara Mahkamah Syariah Negeri Selangor. And number three, application of committal order for non-compliance with maintenance order and their implementation procedure. Maintenance is a form of obligation that must be complied with and fulfill not only the right of wife in the bond of marriage but also after the divorce. According to Zaini Nasaha study, analisis keperluan mahkamah syariah dalam penentuan kadar dan bentuk nafkah anak, assessment and evaluation regarding the amount of maintenance have evolved over a time in accordance with changing time. Result for number 4, potential and challenges of committal order for non-compliance with maintenance order. First of all, in examining the law regarding communal order and their challenges, the research look at a journal article by Zani Nasaha, as example. The result of the journal article indicates several major problems in the enforcement and implementation of maintenance order that require further consideration, with most of this issue being related to human attitude. Based on the conducted study, it is still found that there are no studies specifically discussing the potential and challenges of committed order for non-compliance with maintenance order. Conclusion, this study look into the concept of imprisoned Islam with a focus on committed order issued by the Islamic State Sharia courts to anyone who fail to comply with maintenance requirement. Committed order have been shown to be effective in making people pay to their support obligation. However, enforcement is hampered by factors such as party attitude and legal uncertainties. Overall, the study underlined the need to resolve concern related committal order for disobeying with maintenance commitment in Sharia courts. That's all from us. So you can read the full article and more details, inshallah. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.